name is Srinathi. Today I am going to talk about Mizoram. Mizoram is one of the states of northeast India with Aizawl as its capital. The name is derived from Mi people, Zohil and Ram land, and thus Mizoram implies a land of hill people. Like several other northeast states of India, Mizoram was previously a part of Assam until 1972. When it was carved out as a union territory, it became the 23rd state of India, a step above union territory on 20th February 1987. Geography. The average height of the hill to the west of the states are about 1000 meters. Mizoram is a land of rolling hills, valleys, rivers, and lakes. As many as 21 major hill ranges and peaks of different heights and run through the length and breadth of the state, with plains scattered here and there. Climate. Mizoram has a mid-climate relatively cool in summer 20 to 29 Celsius and in winter temperatures range from 7 to 22 Celsius. Language. The Mizoram language is spoken natively by the Mizo people in the Mizoram state of India. There are 25 letters in the alphabet: A, W, B, C, H, D, E, F, G, N, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, T, U, V, Z. Mizoram is one of the language with official status in India. After India gained independence from the colonial rule, the region was granted autonomous status in 1952, where Mizo people formulated their own laws and delivered judicial decisions. Economy. Agriculture. Between 55% to 60% of the working population of status is annually deployed on agriculture. Mizoram is one of the leading producers of bamboo in India, has 27 types of bamboo and supplies 14% of Indian commercial bamboo. Horticulture. Mizoram is a significant producer and global exporter of anthurium and rose, banana, turmeric, passion fruit, orange and chowchur. Chira is one of the popular dance of the state. Mizo cuisine is a blend of Chinese and North Indian cuisines. The staple food is primarily rice served with fish. Almost all dishes are non-vegetarian, traditional served in banana leaf, less spicy, plain in taste. Most recipes are almost without oil. Another software technology park has been established in Mizoram University campus. Education. The state has long enjoyed high literacy rates than average literacy rates for India. In 1961, the literacy was 51%. It reached 92% compared to 74% average for India. Mizoram is the second literacy rate only after Kerala. Thank you.